Hi, I'm here to demonstrate our newest and largest wheel balancer, the BL-956. This is the largest and newest in our fleet of machines. Today we're going to demonstrate how we balance a wheel on it. If this is a machine you've had for the first time, you need to have it calibrated beforehand to get accurate results. So we're going to work today with a steel rim and a standard sized wheel. This wheel is only one of 6 or 7 different types that we can do. We can do steel rims, motorcycle rims, or we can do 5 different styles of aluminum rims on this machine. So we're going to start with putting the wheel on the system. We find the right size cone to fit the hole of the rim. Simply slide it on. And then one feature of this machine that I really like is it has a foot pedal to stop the shaft from turning while I'm locking or unlocking the wheel from the shaft. When balancing a wheel, it's important to make sure that the weights have been removed prior to installation so that you don't get bad results. So I've gone ahead and I've already removed the weights. So the next thing you want to do is go to the control panel and tell the machine essentially what size of wheel we're dealing with. So you can select either standard rims, aluminum, or motorcycle. So it's already set up for standard rim for cars, and we're going to measure in inches. So the first one we do is the distance from the wheel from the machine. So we take this arm, slide it in to fit the inside of the rim, and it calculates the distance for us. Handy little feature. The next thing it's asking for is the width of the rim. So this is where we use our handy dandy measuring gauge, put it on both sides of the rim, and then on the face of it, it tells you what size of rim it is. And then you come here and you can, it's already showing 6, but with the minus and plus buttons you can change the width of the rim as needed. The last one we're going to do is the size of the rim. So you press it and it's going to show 15. And again, you can adjust the size with these 2 buttons. So it'll finish, do that, and we're ready to go. Simply pull the hood down, let it go through its cycle. So it's showing us that we need a 5-ounce weight on the outer side of the rim. So rotate the rim until we get a full row of lights across the top. We can stop the shaft from turning and come directly overhead of the shaft and install the weight. And then pull down the hood again. And now it wants a 5-ounce weight on the inside. Same procedure. Simply spin the rim until we get all the lights, and we have lights up on the inside to aid in your vision of what's going on. So directly go over the shaft once again. Put your weight on. Stand back, close the hood. And there we go. Perfectly balanced rim. Thank you very much. I hope this helps.